This is the CTE Career Ready Practices Rubric. This rubric was developed by a team of teachers from various program areas in both the high school and middle schools. And a copy of this rubric, this presentation, and other resources can be found on the U drive in a folder titled Rubrics Workshop. In this video, I will attempt to answer 3 questions about the Career Ready Practices rubric. First, why did we make this rubric? Second, how did we come up with these categories? And third, how will this rubric be used? To answer the first question, why did we make this rubric? We feel that it represents good CTE instruction. All of the categories that were determined focus on improving student growth in 21st century skills and career-ready practices. This rubric also provides some common language for CTE teachers. We have some teachers who teach a content area or a course that is not taught by any other teacher in their building, and even some teachers who are the only instructor for that course in the entire county. By having a common language on this rubric throughout CTE, those teachers are able to collaborate with other teachers in their building, even if they're not in the same content area. It also allows us to have teachers communicate across buildings or across different content areas using the same language about how they assess their students. And also to help you with SLOs, the student learning objectives that you're going to have to write need to be based on some data. We feel like this Career Ready Practices rubric will help you with that process, and also to help you to have data to make informed instructional decisions, to adjust your instruction appropriately using the data on the students you have in front of you. So how did we come up with these categories? The 6 categories that you have on this rubric are from the Common Career and Technical Core's Career Ready Practices. There are 12 Career Ready practices that focus on what students need to know and to be proficient in to be career ready. These Career Ready practices were narrowed to 6 categories. We feel like the 6 categories that were chosen could be applied to all of our content areas and multiple types of projects or presentations within CTE coursework. This chart is the practices and capacities for college and career readiness across multiple content areas. On the left-hand side, you will see a category for the 12 Career Ready practices from the Common Career and Technical Core. So how will this rubric be used? First, this rubric has been loaded into Global Scholar. It is there as an assessment system to provide data for you to help with the SLO process. We also feel that it has plenty of other instructional uses. You could use it as a grading tool for your coursework. When you assign projects in your class, you could start using this rubric as a guide as well. And also to facilitate that conversation between our teachers, both at the school level and at the county level,